Alright, now if we come up to File and go Make Assembly, Insert Components, Long Pin. Alright, right click on it and go Float. Click on that, the origin of this part, Shift. Actually, no, don't worry about Shift. We're going to mate it to the origin of this part, so that they're locked in together. We're then going to right click on here and say Fix. Alright, we're going to then insert chain link, the first one, and the second one, and the third one, and the fourth one. We're then going to mate this one to this one on a concentric, and this face to this face coincident. This one to this one concentric, and this face to this face coincident. This one to this one, and this one to this one. This one, and this one to this one. Alright, now we can go and insert the last long pin, and we can do the same with this one, so make that one to this one, and this one to this one. Alright, now to get our angles, we're going to make this face and this face, and down here we've got the angle option, and we're going to write in 25. This is the opposite direction we wanted to move, so we're going to say flip dimension and flip it down. Okay. The next one, angle B, is 125. So we're going to go between this one and this one. Angle 1, 2, 5. It's the wrong direction, so we're going to again flip it in the opposite direction. Okay, and then this one and this one, angle C is 130. 30. It's coming up. B doesn't seem right to me. Let's just go in and delete B. So let's edit B first. This face to this face. Let's just delete that one and start again. Delete. Yes. And we can swing that one out. What have we got here? This is our first pin. So angle A we want down, not up. So if we go edit, and we want that to swing down, so that's down. The second one is up, so that's right. Then this one here, between these two faces, and that was B is 125. Okay, that looks better. Alright, now we can go and put our short pins in. So we'll we've got 1, 2, 3. We're going to make them, cancel, make them concentric. Okay, and coincident, concentric, and coincident, concentric, and coincident.